I am going to do now the rice. When I say rice, we have already done so many kinds of rice. Now I am going to show you the normal rice in a tasty way. So when you come back from work or children come from school, when you just give them rice and curry, they won't be happy. Make the rice a little more tasty. So to give a tasty preparation of rice, I am going to give you now. So watch carefully how I am doing the rice in a simple tasty way. Simple and tasty rice, if you are going to make, as I told you, we need a few ingredients. These are the things: onions, garlic, curry leaves, maize, star anise, and I need some cloves also. First I will put a little oil. We don't need a lot of oil. Say about a dessert spoon of oil only I am putting into this. When it comes slightly warm, I put the star anise, maize, garlic, cardamom, onions, shredded onions, and slightly crush the curry leaves. Stir fry this for a while. I am getting a nice smell in this. So once I get the smell only, I will start adding the rice. I have taken 1 cup of rice. So if I have taken 1 cup of rice, wash nicely and keep it ready to add it. Samba or basmati, whatever you like you can use. Samba or basmati rice. Now I will add a little bit of salt into this. Turmeric into this. Water. If I take 1 cup of water, 1 cup of rice, I need 2.5 cups of water. This is the plain rice that I have cooked. You can cook in the rice cooker or you can cook in whatever you want and take this rice. It's tasty, hot. If you serve with whatever curries you like, you will be happy. Now, what I wanted to do was the rice. A special way I will show you now. Simple as that, but a little special. That's the other one. Now let that get cooked and come. So we will see how we are going to cook the other one. See, put a little oil and a teaspoon of butter I have put. I will use the onions, garlic, curry leaves, cinnamon, a chicken cube. Once it is almost getting slightly stir fried, we will add the chicken. If you like, you can add the chicken into it. Okay. So once we add the chicken, salt I have put and cook the chicken. Allow it to stir fry a little. Now I am going to add, now the chicken is almost getting fried. It has to get nicely fried. I didn't want to use turmeric here. Now see, the rice also getting cooked. And this is the cup I used. 1 cup rice if I put, how much of water? 1, 2.5. Right, now cook this. Cover and cook this nicely. We will see once it's cooked what we are going to do. Both rice get cooked. I want to do a small thing to go with that rice. What I am going to do now is, I will show a stir fry broccoli. I will just go do with that, because of that I will show you. Broccoli I have taken. Before we use the broccoli, I put a little oil and then onions. Little dry chilies cut to a slant and a little green chilies. Now we will add the broccoli. Broccoli and all, it should not get cooked for a long time. So what we are going to do is we just stir fry this. I will add a little salt, chili flakes, along with that, lastly, a little bit of butter you put. The normal rice we have cooked first. So that rice, we will see how it looks now. It's going to be yellow in color because we put turmeric also into that, and the normal rice preparation. We will see how it looks now. See, it's really nice. That's it's not the ghee rice. Don't think it's a ghee rice. It's not ghee rice, right? This is the normal rice that we have cooked. I told you to make it more tastier. Right. Now we will see how the other one. 2 rice we prepared. So we have the 2 rice here. I want to just dish it out in the same thing, just to give you a rough idea that we made it, so that you will enjoy preparing that. I am using a little drumstick leaves. Can you see? Drumstick leaves I have deep fried. What do you think about the 2 rice that I have prepared? Simple as that. Though it is simple, we should know how to prepare it. Easy, and everyone will know how to do it also. Those who know to cook or those who don't know to cook, both can try it out like this, because simple, easy, and day to day life you can do this type of cooking is good. Don't just cook the rice and give them with other curries to eat. Make a rice like this, and one preparation is more than enough. So you try it out and see how it comes, because something different and nice to cook also. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye from me now.